Okay, if I face any problem, will you give me a loan?
Not loan.
Or you will give me forever?
Yeah.
And I don't need to give you back?
Yeah.
What a sweet girl! সে আমাকে টাকা দিবে, সেই টাকাটা সে আমাকে ঋণ দিবে না, সে আমাকে টাকাটা ধার দিবে না, সে একবারে দিয়ে দিবে। So, do you think you are a happy girl?
Yes, I am.
Okay, give three reasons that you are a happy girl.
Point one, because I have my father, and
Your father is here, so you are
yes,
happy.
yes. And point two, I have my family.
Your family is with you, so that's why you are very happy.
Yeah.
And third reason?
And third reason, I am in a big school. I am studying in a big school.
Or she is in a big school, so এই জন্য সে বেশি happy. So do you have any bank account?
Yes, I have.
What's your bank name?
Bank Asia.
Bank Asia. Where is it?
It is beside our house.
It's in Lalmatia.
Yeah.
So do you have any savings?
Yes,
Do you have huge amount of money?
yes,
You are a rich girl.
yes.
Okay, if I face any problem, will you give me a loan?
Not loan.
Or you will give me forever?
Yeah.
And I don't need to give you back?
Yeah.
What a sweet girl! I love my daughter very much. I kiss her. I hug her because সে আমাকে টাকা দিবে, সেই টাকাটা সে আমাকে ঋণ দিবে না, সে আমাকে টাকাটা ধার দিবে না, সে একবারে দিয়ে দিবে।